In this video, we'll learn about the basic shapes tool, as well as how to use cut, copy, paste, undo, and redo. And so when you click on the basic shapes tool, you'll notice that there is a small arrow beside it, which indicates there's more than one tool in this tool group. And when you click on it, it will show you all of the tools in the group, and you can simply select the ellipse to get started. Now, when I click and I drag, I can make an ellipse shape. If I want to make a specific ellipse shape, I can click and click and hold my control key, which will keep the ellipse in a perfect circular shape. You could say the same thing for the rectangle. You can click and drag to make rectangles, but you can hold down the control key to make a perfect square. And so the same would be could be said for the triangles, the pentagons, and the parallelogons or the hexagons. And so all of these are what you would call basic shapes, and we'll go ahead and select one of them. And just point out that here is your cut, copy, and paste tools. So if I use cut, it will remove the shape from our design, and it simply puts it onto like an imaginary clipboard. And notice that the icon for paste is available, and so if I click on that, it will put the shape back. Go ahead and move it off to the side and click paste again, and you'll get another one. And so it's always on your clipboard to paste until you copy something else. Now, the opposite of cut is copy. So if I select this shape right here and then I choose the copy icon, it will not remove the shape. However, if I move it out of the way and click paste, you'll notice that I'm now pasting the new ellipse and not the original one. And so I will also point out that when you have a object selected, there is a copy icon right on the transformation box at the lower left. If I click on that, it will make a quick copy of it, and it offsets it to the right. And so that is different from using copy and paste, because if I select this shape and I click on copy, then when I click paste, the second shape will be exactly on top of the first shape. And so you can click paste and add another one, and paste and add another one, and be careful because you can paste multiples all on top of each other using the paste tool. And so that is cut, copy, and paste. And finally, we have the undo and the redo button, and simply undo will undo the last thing that you did, and you can undo as many times as you need to. You can just keep clicking undo, and it will go right back to the very beginning if you want to, and then you can do redo. And essentially, you can have unlimited steps forwards and backwards with the undo and the redo buttons. And so you can try things and then go backwards as needed and redo again as needed. And so this video has been about the basic shapes tool and how you can click and drag to draw basic artwork shapes, and how you have cut, copy, and paste, and undo and redo as handy dandy tools to modify them.